you ready, right? You ready? Right, guys, one for the video. Okay, you can see here. Here. Oh my god, we can get to the beach! Should we? Should we? Should we? Is it worth it? Is it worth it? Okay, let's do this. Wait, hold on. I forgot my 2 times. Okay. Pace, speed. Okay, three, two, one, go. Um, oh, oh no. 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 No, that's no. Bro, don't be kidding me. Oh my. Maybe it wasn't worth it. No, that's. We should have waited another chance. Oh my. Bro, we should have. I kind of needed Comet too for the university. Yeah, you never know. Uh-huh, yeah, that's true. Wait, we could. No, wait. I mean, I kind of needed Comet for my collection too, but oh my. Oh, I thought we were gonna get impeached. Oh, oh. This is so mid. This is so mid. You never know. Maybe next day we can get moon like we did earlier. You never know. Maybe you can get moon again. I would have been. I got all of these riddles. I would honestly have been happier with exotic. Not gonna lie. I need an exotic for my EXO. Oh my. Oh, you have to be kidding me. Yeah, there's no way. I mean, there's still kind of a chance to get impeached. Alright, I'm gonna start recording right now.